Greetings Commanders, this is KreeKree here. Today I'm going to show you how to build an Asp Explorer for exploration. It's my personal build. There are different ways that you can build the Asp Explorer in Elite Dangerous. Now if you wanted to check me out live exploring the galaxy in Elite Dangerous, you can check out my Twitch. You can also join the Discord community, follow me on my socials, which is Twitter and Instagram, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Anyway, let's get into the video. Okay, so now let's get into outfitting so I can show you how I build my Asp Explorer for exploration. Now we'll firstly go into hardpoints. This isn't necessary to have any hardpoints, but I have two of the standard pulse lasers that came with the ship when I bought it, so I've only just kind of kept it there as a just in case. Moving on to utility mounts, I have a frame shift weight scanner. That's just so I can collect data for my engineering. Obviously you don't need to do that if you don't want to. Core internal is where the stuff is, so I've kept the general lightweight alloy so that way I get more distance, having a lightweight bulkhead. My power plant is a 5A. I don't necessarily need a 5A, but I have gone with that myself. Now you can see here that the power capacity is 20.40 megawatts. I have 5E thrusters, they're pretty standard, I've kept them there. Frame shift drive, I have a 5A and I have engineered it, which is what that cog is right there. Got the 4D life support there. Now for the distributor, I've just kept it as a 4D. Sensors are 5C, so pretty standard. And fuel tank is cap 32. But there is a reason for that, and we'll get to that in a moment. Now just for planetary exploration for horizons, I do have two SRV vehicles, 5A fuel scoop, 3C shield generator, which is pretty standard, an auto field admittance unit, and I also have, I do have a 3A repair limit controller just in case I do get damaged in high G planets. Cargo rack is just in case, advanced docking computer just because why not, detail surface scanner for those extra credits. And obviously you can go to the library and store modules if you have any. So this is, the library is obviously just for looks, has nothing to do with the efficiency of your exploration, but if you want to look at doing it, go ahead. That is enough for this video. If you wanted to learn more about how to explore and what you can use while exploring, I do have a video on how to use your full spectrum system scanner as well as your detail surface scanner. That helps you get extra credits while you're out exploring. Yeah, I'll see you guys over there. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!